Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate. To authenticate with the Datadog API using application keys, start by logging into your Datadog account. Navigate to the API section from the main dashboard. Here, you'll find your API keys and application keys listed. If you haven't created an application key yet, click on the New Key button. Provide a name for your application key to easily identify it later. Once you've named your key, click on Create Key to generate it. Copy the generated application key to your clipboard. Next, open your preferred code editor or terminal. Choose the programming language you will be using to interact with the API. For example, if you are using Python, install the Datadog API client library if you haven't already. You can do this by running the command pip install Datadog. Now, import the necessary library in your code. Use the following code snippet to configure the Datadog API client. Replace your _API_ key with your actual Datadog API key. Replace your _application_ key with the application key you previously created. In the client configuration, set the API_key and app_key parameters. Now, you can access various Datadog API endpoints. Test your authentication by making a simple API request. For example, you can retrieve the list of all dashboards. Send a GET request to the /dashboards endpoint. Check the response to confirm that your authentication was successful. If you receive a valid response, you are now authenticated. You can proceed to use the Datadog API for various functionalities. Make sure to securely store your API and application keys. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access. With these steps, you are now ready to use the Datadog API with application key authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.